If all transportation shifted to electric or non-polluting options, the impact would be transformative across multiple dimensions. Air quality would improve significantly, as the reduction in emissions from vehicles powered by fossil fuels would lead to decreased levels of pollutants such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. This change could mitigate respiratory and cardiovascular health issues, particularly in urban areas where pollution is most concentrated. The shift would also contribute to combating climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions from one of the largest contributing sectors. Coupled with renewable energy sources powering electric vehicles, the reliance on fossil fuels would diminish, fostering a more sustainable energy ecosystem. Economic implications would be substantial, with industries adapting to new technologies. Job creation could surge in sectors like battery production, electric vehicle manufacturing, and renewable energy infrastructure development. Conversely, traditional industries like oil extraction and refining might experience declines, necessitating measures to support affected workers during the transition. Urban planning and infrastructure would evolve to accommodate charging networks, prioritize public transport, and encourage pedestrian-friendly environments. Noise pollution would decrease due to quieter electric motors, enhancing the overall quality of life in cities. However, challenges would need addressing, such as the environmental impact of mining for materials like lithium and cobalt used in batteries. Ensuring equitable access to non-polluting transportation options and upgrading power grids to handle increased electricity demand. Proactive policies and innovation would be crucial to managing these complexities effectively while maximizing the benefits of this shift.